Hey, how's it going? This is Jay. So I want to talk about Ethereum today, the cryptocurrency Ethereum. I'm sure a lot of you all have heard of it. It's the second most popular cryptocurrency out there besides Bitcoin. And Ethereum, it says, just ran across a quick article. It says Ethereum price ascending channel breakout possible if Bitcoin consolidates. Well, hey, that's a good thing. Ascending means up, descending means down. So I was just kind of reading a little bit about this. And by the way, this is on Cointelegraph.com. Just want to give them some props for writing this good article. So here it says, in the past week, altcoins price received a significant haircut, and investors who were light on Bitcoin saw their portfolio take a hit. Okay, so initially ETH, which is Ethereum, price followed Bitcoin higher as a top-ranked digital asset rallied through the 12,000 resistance, but as BTC, which is Bitcoin, continues to slowly push higher after a struggle to flip 400 to support. So there's a little chart of that. I'm going to go over some other things in Ether as well, Ethereum. So just really fast, I know that we'll talk about the price of Ethereum real fast. So here's the price over the past 5 years. Ethereum at one point did reach 1,273. In the previous video I said it reached about 1,000. I didn't realize that it reached 1,273 as a top. That's a lot. That's awesome. So right now it's 336. So it's about 3 times less than that because you got 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah, so if you times it by 4, it was about 4 times more expensive back then. 300 if you times out 4, 8, 12. Well, it's almost 400. So actually it would be three times more if it's $400. But in the past 2 years, let's see. In the past 2 years, Ethereum was 210, and I was right about that. So it went down to about 200, and it actually dropped to a bottom of about 84 in the past 2 years. Now that's interesting. Imagine if you had gotten in at 84, that'd have been sweet. So you had 2 opportunities right there in the past 2 years. You had, let's scroll this down here a little bit. 12/9/2018, and a little bit 129, 132. So almost 2 opportunities to get in at 84, but it's all good. Ethereum will hopefully start coming up here soon. Let's see in the past 3 months what Ethereum has done. Ooh, look at that. Rolls up to 475 on the chart, 477 on the charts. Heading down a little bit. Well, also want to tell you something about a surprise that I just found out. You all have heard about the hard fork that Ethereum is trying to go through, Ethereum 2.0. If you weren't aware, Ethereum 2.0 is coming soon. And what they're saying is a January hard fork here. So right here, following Ethereum's Berlin hard fork remains a few months away at best, according to the all-core developers. Bi-weekly call held on Friday, a soft target of January is now in the works following the planned launch of Ethereum 2.0 Beacon Chain in December. If y'all don't know what a hard fork is, I also have that definition. So Ethereum will be splitting into a hard fork 2.0, Ethereum 2.0. So a hard fork right here is a radical change to the protocol of a blockchain network that makes previously invalid blocks transactions valid or vice versa. A fork in a blockchain can occur in any crypto technology platform, not only Bitcoin. And then there's some good questions that people ask. I wanted to review that as well for hard forks. So is it good or is it bad? What do you think? And here's some opinions from commodity.com. A hard fork marks an unstable time for cryptocurrency. The community of those investors who will invest in the cryptocurrency, again, that could be Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever, the community will also be divided over the issue, and the market is generally very volatile, even by cryptocurrency standards. So then somebody says, what happens to my coins in a hard fork? That's very important to know that. A blockchain split occurs during a hard fork, which in turn branches the chain into 2 parts. If this happens, there is nothing the bit holder has to do but wait and watch the fork unfold. Bitcoin holders who possess their private keys will have the access to assets on both chains after the split event occurs. So here, let's take a look at this. Let's do this. Ethereum hard fork. Is Ethereum 2.0 a hard fork? Technically, all ETH upgrades are hard forks that just don't have old and new chains surviving, except ETC, of course. The new chain becomes the official one, and the old one just dies fairly quickly. So, what is a hard fork? Ethereum. A hard fork, or hard fork as it is related to blockchain technology, is a radical change to a network's protocol that makes previously invalid blocks and transactions valid, or vice versa, as we just talked about. A hard fork requires all nodes or users to upgrade to the latest version of the protocol software. So, that's what I wanted to talk about. By the way, this is my 50th video. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to be doing more cryptocurrency updates on what's going on in the cryptocurrency market with Ethereum, Bitcoin, possibly Litecoin, and others, so on and so forth. Possibly EOS as well. I know EOS is a popular one starting to come online more. Maybe some Bitcoin Cash in the future. So just please subscribe, like this video. I really appreciate it. This is my 50th video on YouTube. So tell me congratulations. I need the encouragement. Anyway, this is Jay. Have a great day. I'm out.